Hey guys, this video discusses more on how to import a PDF for editing with Canva. Are you ready? And let's get right into it.
Hey guys, my name is Christina Ramos. I create self-help journals to sell in Amazon KDP. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for future video updates, and let's begin.
Have you ever wanted to use Canva to edit your low content book PDF pages? The good news is that you can now import and edit PDF even though it's still in a beta version, and you can import PDFs up to 15 pages. In this video, let's try to select a pre-made interior in bookbolt. Bookbolt's pre-made interiors are extremely impressive. If you want to get more advanced, you can download and improve them through Canva to make your own personal touches. First, you have to log into Bookbolt. You have to type your email and your password, and then you have to log in. Click on the icon and go to Bookbolt Designer. I'm going to close this one, then I'll go to Interior. So these are the Bookbolt's pre-made interiors, and what I want here is the Get Things Done page and the Journal page. Now I'm going to go back and click on Interior Pro. So I'm going to click Bleed and I'm going to choose 6 by 9. So for my first page, it's going to be Get Things Done. So I'll just try to search it here, and then I'll also look for the journal page. Okay, so I'm going to download now and rename the file as bookbolt Get Things Done, and then save, and let's open it. So this is the two pages that I'm going to upload to Canva. I am now in Canva and I'll go create a design, import PDF, and there you go. You just have to wait for a while. This is in pixel. Now I'll try to check through converting inches to pixels and see if it's still on its 6.125 by 9.25 inches. The next thing that I'm going to do now is to go to Elements. I'm going to add an image here just to improve my first page or the Get Things Done page. So you can choose anything here, graphics. Just make sure that it's free from copyright. So for this, for the benefit of this tutorial, I'll just choose this one. And for the blank line journal, I'll just choose this beautiful flower image here. Just drag and drop. This is a black and white interior, and you have the option to change the color. I want to duplicate this image here, and I have to copy and paste. So Control C for the copy and Control V for the paste. I have to add 3 pages here for the title page, copyright page, and for this journal belongs to page. And now let's go to grid view and let's try to duplicate and complete the 100 pages. We have now 100 pages, and let's click on download. And for the file type, let's select PDF print and click download. And we are now ready to save our file. And this is the final result. Thank you for watching. This ends our video. See you next time. Bye.